Hi guys and girls, welcome away some people. In this shared video, 179 divided by 179 which equals 1 and 179 divided by 179 equals 1. Now we have this problem, 1 divided by 1 which equals 1. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operations we must do this division, then this division, and at last this division. So we have first this division, 179 divided by 179 equals 1. So we have 1 divided by 179 divided by 179, and we can write this part as 1 over 179 divided by 179. So we must keep the first fraction 1 over 179 and change division to multiplication times, then flip the second fraction 1 over 179 which equals 1 over 32,041, and this is our final answer for this problem. Don't forget to like, subscribe and check out our other videos.